Plaque is a soft, sticky film that builds up on your teeth and contains millions of bacteria. The bacteria in plaque cause tooth decay and gum disease if they are not removed regularly through brushing and flossing. When you eat, the bacteria in plaque use the sugars in your food to produce acids that eat away at the tooth enamel. Repeated attacks cause the enamel to break down, eventually resulting in a cavity in the tooth surface. Comment below, can you identify this image? Plaque that is not removed daily by brushing and flossing between teeth can eventually harden into tartar. Brushing and flossing become more difficult as tartar collects at the gum line. As the tartar, plaque, and bacteria continue to increase, the gum tissue can become red and swollen. This is called gingivitis, an early stage of gum disease. Hey folks, if you want to whiten your teeth but want something convenient, gentle, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg, then check out these whitening pens. They make a perfect gift. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below.